Hello everybody, this is Hans talking about the Hanzo from the Friday the 11th of October. And like always, let me to explain that picture here first, and then we're going to see the action over here, alright? It was a little bit of an awkward day because the preparation move started here at 9:25. It came up, as you can see here. We had a yellow coming on later also. We had already a HA blue here, and this is coming up again, and here it's coming up again, and here it's above the OL. It's above every OL here, and we even had an 8-hour red, and later on we're gonna get on 4-hour also a red. So, and those moves, this preparation move plus the OB move, they gave us altogether 75 pips. So somebody like Jasran, for example, he would probably stay and make that thing. Me, I took the Hanzo was very short. I was inside here, and I stayed in, and what I disregarded was this part over here, this point, this flipped upper Renko BB band, and we had also here some signals, and everything was actually pointing up, and that was my mistake. And instead of putting my stop loss into break even or into a plus 10 like I did the days before, I didn't do it because I got stopped out, and I thought, okay, today I'm not going to do it, and it hit me, and then it was so fast that I couldn't even react, so it got my 30 stop loss and I lost the trade, and instead of continue going up I stopped. Anyway, so this is it. Prep move short, OB move short, then the Hanzo 31 seconds after 9:30 here, 31 seconds later the Hanzo move, and then we had that huge big move. This one gave us 160 pips, and for the rest of the day the whole what you can say, the whole trend was up and give us more than 300 pips. So let's see the action now, okay? Now I'm going to start this up here so we can make it a little bit faster so we don't have to wait too long. You can see now the preparation move, like I call it, the preparation move. It's going up, and we had that blue, and then it came down a little bit, like just for now we said, and now we have all these signals here. Definitely we're going up, that is for sure. And then the Hanzo move was correct move because we broke everything from the 4, 1, 15, 5 and HA, we broke it all, and therefore the Hanzo move was correct. But my mistake was that I stayed too long. So I bring back the picture and we can see what's going on. Alright. Yeah, alright then. So now this is going on a little bit more. The Hanzo move is, we're gonna get that yellow here then. And then the Hanzo move will start. And we see here it's going up much more. It will break the 5, it will break the 15, it will break the 1 hour, will even break the 4 hour. We have it super red here, and we have here, this became red again then. So after 31 seconds, after the OB move, the Hanzo move starts. 31 seconds here, you see that here already. Now, that's it. Here we start. This is the Hanzo move now. Yeah, then it comes up a little bit, and then it comes down again. And it comes down here to the Renko BB band, flipped up BB band. And yeah, we're going to see here also another blue. I think it was that one. This might have been it. Or is there another one coming? No, I think this was the one, yeah. And I was thinking really that would go down to the BB band, but like I said, these are not trending blues here, therefore it didn't go. They did what they had to do, to go to the orange line, and this one didn't even come to the orange line, because the orange line is going to move up, and yeah. And here it is. This now is the Jastronomics move. I don't know what you call this thing. Okay, and it's going up and it's going up and up and up and up. And for the rest of the day, it continued to go up more than 300 pips. It went a little bit sideways here, as you can see. And this is actually it. So I see you in the room. Have a nice pipping day today on Monday, and over and out.